Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably staring at that frustrating error code 1062 feet on your Canon printer, especially if you're dealing with the 2025 models. Don't worry, I'm here to help you troubleshoot and fix this issue quickly and easily. This error often pops up due to simple problems like communication errors, paper jams, or outdated software, but we'll get to the bottom of it step by step. First things first, let's start with the basics. Turn off your Canon printer and unplug it from the power source for about 30 seconds. This simple restart can clear temporary glitches and reset the system. Once it's back on, check for any paper jams. Open the printer cover carefully, remove any stuck paper, and make sure everything is aligned properly. Paper jams are a common culprit for this error, so double-check the paper tray for any wrinkles or misfeeds. Next, ensure your printer is properly connected. If you're using a USB cable, try unplugging it and plugging it back in securely. For wireless setups, verify that your printer and computer are on the same Wi-Fi network. Sometimes, a weak signal can trigger this code. Now, head to Canon's official website and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Outdated software is another frequent cause, so installing updates can resolve compatibility issues. If the error persists, try resetting your printer's settings. Go into the printer's menu, look for a Reset or Restore Defaults option, and follow the on-screen instructions. Remember to back up any custom settings first. If none of these steps work, it might be a hardware issue, so contact Canon support with your printer's serial number for professional help. There you have it. Quick fixes for Canon error code 1062. By following these steps, you should be back to printing in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.